Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the flight mode in this device. So we can enable or disable the flight mode from the quick settings and also from the main settings page also we can enable or disable the flight mode. So first I will show you from the quick settings. So open the quick settings, swipe down from the top. Okay, so here you can see one aeroplane symbol. Okay, if you tap on this one, now the aeroplane mode is enabled. You can see now the aeroplane mode is enabled. That means the flight mode is enabled in this device. So from the settings also we can enable this one. For this, go to settings, tap on the option connections. Now here you can see the option flight mode. So if you want to disable this one, just turn off this one. If you want to enable, turn on this option. Okay, so simply in this way we can enable or disable the flight mode in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.